Hey everyone, it is Sarah, and as a frequent traveler, there are some things that I just cannot live without. So in this video, I'm going to share my top things that I bring with me no matter where I am in the world. This video is sponsored by Vichy and Septics. You pretty much can't travel if you don't have a travel adapter, and that's why I love Septics. Now, this company I've been using for a while because obviously I use tons of electronics making videos. They work in 200 countries and can charge up to 5 devices at once, plus it's surge protected. And the little kit is super clear and makes it easy to figure out which country you need to bring with you, which I like because a lot of other adapters, you just see a bunch of little things and you have no idea which country it's for. I love how they make it super easy to decide which plugs to bring on your trip. One thing that I constantly struggle with because I'm always on flights is dry skin. Did you know a plane is drier than a desert? Pretty crazy. So that's why it's so important to drink a lot of water and to hydrate your skin properly. So I recently discovered a product called Mineral 89, and I've been using this product for the last 3 weeks, and my skin is just feeling absolutely glorious. Whenever I pack my carry-on bag, I always make sure to include the Mineral 89, and that's because since the planes are so dry, I really need something to keep my skin super hydrated. It also fights all of the effects of aging, so stress, air pressure, dry air. In the past I used to use just regular creams or face masks, but this I feel so much more hydrated with, so I really recommend using this one. And they also have a whole line which I've been using, and this is why my skin has felt so amazing. So their Aqualia line is great if you have dry skin, so you could I recommend checking that one out. The thing is, it dries really smooth and it's not greasy or sticky, which I really like because a lot of lotions give you that shiny look and this doesn't. It's like a matte finish. So nice. Another thing I can't travel without is a rechargeable cell phone case. You can get these for iPhone or Samsung or whatever phone type you have, but the key thing is that this holds 2 full charges. The charge on your regular device, and then there's a full charge within the case. So this allows you to use your phone the whole day and never run out of a charge. It's super simple. You just press this little button here and the charge begins and your phone will not die. I love reading, but what I don't love about reading when you're traveling is carrying heavy books. And a lot of the time I read a lot of books, so then I have this whole stack of books. And that's why I've switched to a Kindle. Look at how thin it is. It can hold like 10,000 books in this thing. And the other thing is, when you buy a book on Kindle, it's often cheaper than buying an actual hard copy book. Plus, sometimes you're on an airplane and you don't have signal, or if you actually got on an airplane that doesn't have movies, you can just take out your Kindle and you are good to go. Now they make waterproof ones so you can bring them to the pool. I always get a backlit one because if you are in a dark space, just having the backlighting makes it easy to read anywhere. Super essential for me on those long car rides, long flights. I never go anywhere without my Kindle. I'm taking a long flight or a long car ride, again, Bose noise canceling headphones. That and the Kindle are 2 things that I never ever leave home without. And it's great when you're in a crowd or if something's really loud and normal headphones just aren't cutting it. These things make it feel like there's no one around you, which is ideal for a plane because maybe babies are crying, you have the engine sounds, you have people coughing. I just put these on, turn on the noise canceling headphones. I literally can't hear anything right now. They're fantastic. Plus, if you're in the airplane, you can connect these to the movies and then it feels like surround sound. It's just the best sound experience while you're watching a movie in a plane. I always was one to think that these would be too bulky to carry on a plane, but then once I actually use them, I can never go back to the little earbuds after these bad boys right here. Life-changing. You don't want to get charged those crazy fees at the airport if your luggage is overweight. Either do I. So that's why I always travel with a portable luggage scale. They're super small and they make your wallet so much happier because you'll know how much your luggage weighs and then you can move things around. Remember, most flights are 23 kilograms or 50 pounds. This does both kilograms and pounds, which is super helpful when you're traveling internationally. And I never, ever, ever go anywhere without this because a lot of the time I am like right at that limit where they might charge me a bunch of money. So get this if you want to save money. The links for everything I mentioned in this video are below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time.